DXC is an end-to-end IT services company with over 6,000 private and public sector clients in 70 countries. DXC offers a wide range of services, which includes global service desk support, where we support over 8 million users today in 56 languages and in over 50 different locations across the world. DXC is the first in its field in Asia moving into digital call center solutions, which gives us a competitive differentiator. To meet our objectives of modernizing our offerings while bringing in cost and process efficiencies, we zeroed in on Amazon Connect from AWS. Our digital service desk offering, powered by Amazon Connect, will bring in our various value-added functionalities and benefits. As part of the CTI toolset, through intelligent voice response, we can provide more information to customers and route their calls more efficiently and quickly. At present, DXC Asia is migrating a total of 1,000 plus service desk seats in Kuala Lumpur and Manila to Amazon Connect. One of the biggest advantages from leveraging the Amazon Connect platform is agility. With Amazon Connect and Amazon Poly, we can make changes to call flows and greetings in less than a month. The time it takes to onboard a new customer will significantly reduce from more than 3 months to a matter of few weeks. Furthermore, by using AWS, we estimate an efficiency improvement of 30 to 40% due to increased automation and improved productivity on existing operations. In the contact center world, quality user experience is key. By using Amazon Connect on the AWS cloud, DXC can harness the power of technology and redefine the call center experience to present to our clients a compelling value proposition.